Comrade Prakash Karat, Coordinator of the Politburo of the Communist Party of India, Marxist. Comrade K. Balakrishnan, Chairman of the Reception Committee, constituted for the 21st Congress being held at Madurai. Leaders of the left parties on the dais, respected elders, mothers and sisters, brothers, delegates, distinguished guests and friends. Bhanakkam, Namaskar. We are assembled here in Madurai for the 24th Congress of the Communist Party of India, Marxist. Madurai has a rich history as an ancient city and a seat of Tamil culture. Madurai is also a center with a vibrant tradition of the communist and working class movement. Many stalwarts of the communist movement hail from here or worked in this city. P. Ramamurthy and N. Shankaraya are two prominent such names. I welcome Comrade D. Raja, General Secretary of CPI, Comrade Dipankar Bhattacharya, General Secretary of CPI-ML Liberation, Comrade Manoj Bhattacharya, General Secretary of RSP, and Comrade G. Devarajan, General Secretary of AIFB, who are attending this inaugural session. Their presence augurs well for the strengthening of left unity in the country. I should mention, I had the privilege to attend the 9th Congress of the CPIM held in Madurai in 1972 as a delegate. I would also like to mention that was the first Congress for me to attend as a delegate. So it's a very historical thing for me. On this occasion, I extend my warm revolutionary greetings to the lakhs of party members, supporters, and left sympathizers of the country as a whole, and in particular of Madurai and Tamil Nadu. The 24th Congress of the CPIM is taking place at a time when American imperialism is becoming more assertive after Donald Trump took over the presidency. From the very first day of his second term, the Trump has been moving in the specific direction to create problem for the world as a whole and trying to suppress them according to their wish for the greater interest of the American imperialism. Therefore, the coming days will see tumultuous developments, and we must be prepared to step up our anti-imperialist campaigns and struggles. 11 years have elapsed under the Modi government. It has seen the consolidation of the Hindutva authoritarian regime. At no time has the axis between big corporates and the RSS BJP been so strong and blatant. The result has been subversion of democracy, secularism, and federalism. For the vast mass of the country and the common people of the society, it spells suffering from unemployment, rising prices, agrarian distress, and of course, corruption. Minorities are being systematically persecuted and reduced to second-class citizens in India. The resistance to the Hindutva corporate regime has been going on. every action of the working people are coming out to defend their rights. In this connection, I salute the workers of the Samsung India factory who conducted a successful 38-day strike in Kanchipuram, braving all sorts of odds and repression. The 24th Congress will discuss and show the way for uniting all secular and democratic forces to fight, isolate and defeat the BJP and of course RSS. It will discuss how to widen and intensify the struggles of the working class, peasantry, urban and rural poor, and champion the rights of the Dalits, Adivasis, women and of course minorities. The party Congress has on its agenda how to enhance the independent strength of the party by expanding the political, ideological and organizational activities, waging the multifaceted struggles against Hindutva ideology and communal forces has to take center stage. A strong party organization is required to implement the political line of the mobilizing the millions of working people and the youth. The party must have its organization at the workplace and the residential areas too. An organization capable of connecting with the people and launching struggles of the working people of our country. Let the 24th Congress be a landmark in the ongoing struggle to defeat the forces of reaction and to go forward building a left and democratic alternatives. With these few words, I would like to conclude. Thank you all.